Are you guys cuddling? Are you pretending to sleep? Since you can't see, Willie's got his arm around Evelyn. Oh, you're so cute. Give a big kiss. Big kiss. Okay. Give her a kiss. Willie, give Evelyn a kiss. Aww. You're so cute. Oh, did you hurt your face?
I hurt my feet.
You hurt your lip?
I hurt the lip.
Okay, let me get it better. There you go.
Ow! I know.
And your nose? Okay, cuddle.
No.
Cuddle again. Oh, you gotta lift your head a little bit. There we go. Scooch in.
That's my nose, my boo-boo.
You got a boo-boo on your nose? Ask Evelyn to kiss it better. Evelyn, can you kiss Willie's nose better? Oh, better. Okay, cuddle with Evelyn. Give a big hug. Oh, she's leaving. Oh, she's leaving.
Ah!
Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No,
Okay. But the camera's going bye-bye. Well, be a ballerina. Can you do a spin? You want to do a spin? Do a spin, Willie. Whoop. Show me how you do a spin. Someone? Anyone? Alright then. Bye-bye.